The always earth-friendly DirectConnect LED linear lights are simple and fast retrofit for T12, T5, and T8 lighting. For safety, make sure that no power is coming into the fixture and remove the existing lamps and properly dispose of them. As you can see, we have opened up the ballast area and we are disconnecting the line voltage coming in to the positive and the neutral of the ballast. Removing the wire nuts, we will then take those wires and wrap them back around, wire nut them, or cut them off. This bypasses the ballast. We can connect our power whip in now. We connect the hot and the neutral wires from the power whip to the incoming line voltage. The power whip does not have polarity, so it does not matter which wire is connected first. We can now organize the wires, push them to the middle of the fixture, and put our ballast cover back on. We will not have to get back into this area again. Typically, you will only need 2 of the always earth-friendly LEDs to replace 4 of the ones being replaced because of the high lumens per watt. Once our ballast cover is in place and secure, we can start by connecting our LED lights. We start with connecting the jumper whip. We now connect in the power whip and magnetize it to the fixture. We can now connect the other side of the jumper whip to the other LED light and then magnetize it into the fixture. We organize the wires so they are not coming down. And if you would like to become a reseller, please go to our website, alwaysearthfriendly.com, and fill out the contact form. We can now replace the shield. And turn our power back on.